Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I am blending colors on my own palette from the 2018 In Color selection. I'm going to stamp with one of the new stamp sets that's going to be available in May as an early purchase. Share What You Love Sweet is wonderful, and the Love What You Do stamp set is divine. I'm going to use the images that are the florals and the thank you sentiment, and I am heat embossing with silver embossing powder onto watercolor paper. I'll be taking Blueberry Bushel and Lovely Lipstick, and I'm going to mix those two colors together on one of my clear blocks. A clear block can be used as a palette, and you can use ink refill, or as I'm doing here, dab on some color directly from a stamp pad. Working with watercolor paper is a great opportunity to be able to get some really fun results. By mixing these two colors right on the clear block with the aqua painter, I'm able to get some color that did not exist before. So it's created a nice light purple or lavender color that will be perfect for coloring in these pretty little flowers. Because the flowers are very delicate looking, I thought it would be appropriate to give them a very light or a very delicate color. I'm adding color to the flowers with the wet on wet watercolor technique. That means that I first add some clear water from the tip of the aqua painter, and then I grab from color from the clear block and add it. The water then will take the ink and it will just spread it out, and then I can add more areas to the places that need. The tiny small image flower is just the right size to be able to pick up more of that purple color and add as some kind of a background element to the larger flowers. I'm using what ink is left right here on the stamp to just kind of give a little bit of a lighter area, a second and third generation of ink. And I'm making sure that I dry all of this before I proceed with attaching any of the paperwork together. Snail adhesive is just right for this particular project because there's not much warping on the paper. However, when there is more warping, I suggest you use tear and tape. The artisan pearls are just darling, and they are also going to be available in the Share What You Love bundle. I'm taking that same small stamp and moving it around in the red and the blue to mix it and just come up with some more fun results. This was just really a lot of fun, and I would encourage you, next time you have two ink colors out, make your own color and see what kind of results you can get. It's a lot of fun. It's more like you're back in kindergarten. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. All of the products are or will be available in my online store. The Share What You Love bundle is going to be something that's available early in the month of May, and it will be available in my online store too. If you purchase from me, you are going to get a big, whopping, giant free tutorial full of lots and lots of ideas. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day!